guys, I'm back. Surprise, surprise. I wasn't expecting to be back so soon, if not at all, to be honest with you. But after the response I had from my previous video, oh my god, you guys blew me away. Like, you actually did. Your kindness, your loving, sweet messages. I got so much engagement, so much comments, so much heartwarming messages from you guys, and so many of you guys have known someone that has had the same condition as me. So yeah, it really overwhelmed me, and I felt, it sounds corny, but I felt loved. I felt seen, I felt heard, and yeah, it kind of uplifted my spirits and it boosted my mood reading all your messages. So it was a good thing. I'm really happy that I decided to upload the video and share my story with you guys. And yeah, I think I made the right choice, and I'm happy to be back on YouTube. I thought what I would do is I would film a weekly vlog, but not really a weekly vlog, because I can't film every single day of the week. It's just impossible because my life is so boring. But I thought for this week I would film 2 days. So today we have my very first session of chemotherapy. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. My mom's coming with me as well. And tomorrow we have my blood transfusion. So today is Cancer Day. Tomorrow will be Sickle Cell Day. The joys of my life. I wanted to combine sharing my cancer journey with my Forex journey, and I thought it would make it a little bit more interesting, a little bit more dynamic. I want to show you guys what I've actually been learning the past 3 years. You know, I'm not trying to hide anything from you guys. I want to share it with you. I want to, you know, expose you to the world of trading, because I think it's great and I'm really enjoying it. So let me not ramble too much, because I'm going to be late for my hospital appointment. So yeah, I'll see you at the hospital. So we've just arrived at the hospital and we are in the chemotherapy treatment room 1. I've never been to this ward before. It's completely empty, as you can see. There's no one here. I'm the only person here, so hopefully my mom can stay with me, because you know, since COVID, they're very cautious about family members staying with patients now. So usually when I come here to have my blood transfusions, my mom isn't allowed to stay with me. She has to wait downstairs. So hopefully, fingers crossed, she can stay with me today, because this is my first ever session of chemotherapy. So I do need a lot of support. But yeah, it's really quiet. It's like a ghost town. Okay guys, so quick update. My mom bought me some snacks. It's currently, what is it, 3:30? We've been here, I feel like I've been here all day. It's been a very, very long day. So far, I've had the rituximab.
Yeah.
I've had that one, which took all day. And now we're having the CHOP, which is I guess this is the main part of the chemotherapy?
Yes.
Yeah. Don't worry, Hazel, you're not in it. My nurse Hazel is looking after me today.
Oh, yeah.
So-
So the chemo first chemo, second, third.
Okay, so this is the infamous red devil that people like to call it. What's the medical name for it?
Doxorubicin.
Doxorubicin. So this is number 1, the first syringe, and then these are the following 2 up here in the red bags. I've heard a lot about this red devil on TikTok. A lot of girls talk about it, the cancer girlies. Is it supposed to make your urine red?
Red.
Right.
You drink a lot of water.
Okay, so I can expect some red wee-wee. And this will take approximately an hour and a half, is that correct?
In total.
In total, all 3 bags will take 1 hour and a half. So now it's just a waiting game. One nurse did tell me downstairs in the day unit, she did.
Okay.
No, but did you have like a consultation for the chemo like someday?
Indrani,
Yeah,
I can't remember her saying that.
that's the. We really emphasize on that.
Okay. Get one from Amazon, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, the pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
And in here, if you're going,
Oh yeah. Yeah,
there's
that's
a
true.
Lloyd's pharmacy
Yes,
in the main
okay.
outpatient. They're open till 6:30, so you can
Okay.
get it from there.
Don't they bump up the price there?
Well, I don't know that yet. Honestly, I don't know the pricing because it's in the hospital, isn't it?
Yeah, they're quite expensive, that pharmacy.
Is it Lloyd's?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're thieves.
They're
That's
really,
fine.
Hi everyone, welcome to another day. It's now Wednesday and today we will be going to the hospital again. This time it will be for my exchange blood transfusion, so I will take you along with me today. As for yesterday, with my chemotherapy, it surprisingly went really well. I was pleasantly surprised. So unfortunately my mum wasn't allowed to stay with me due to COVID. I think I mentioned that in yesterday's video, so that was a bit annoying. So I did have to stay by myself, but I met a lot of nice people there. There was quite a few of us in the ward, like more people came as the day went on. Mainly older people, and I was the only person in the entire ward that had Hodgkins Lymphoma. Everyone else suffered from another type of blood cancer called multiple myeloma, which is also another very common type of blood cancer. They were mainly older people, mainly in their 50s and 60s, so I was the youngest person on the ward. And in terms of the chemotherapy itself, I had no reactions, I had no side effects. Like, honestly, I felt good. Like, your girl was thriving yesterday. I was pleasantly surprised. The nurse kept checking up on me every 5 minutes. She was quite concerned. She was like, are you okay? Are you feeling good? Like, is your skin itchy? Do you feel nauseous? Like, do you need to vomit? Do you need to go to the toilet? So yeah, it was nice that she was very concerned because she knew this was my first ever chemotherapy session. But honestly, I was good. Your girl was good. I could have ran a 10k marathon yesterday. Yeah, no, it was good. Like, I experienced a bit of tiredness, but that wasn't due to the chemotherapy. That was because they gave me Piriton, which made me very sleepy. But other than that, yeah, it was just a normal day out for the Duchess at the hospital, to be honest. Nothing to really complain about. Yeah, I had a good, pleasant experience. So hopefully today will be the same. Obviously, today's different because I know what to expect. I've been receiving exchange blood transfusions for my sickle cell for the past, 16 years. So I'm a seasoned veteran at this. So I know exactly what to expect. And again, my mum won't be allowed in the room with me, so I'll be on my ones. And yeah, once again, I'm gonna stop rambling because we gotta call the Uber to get to my appointment because I don't want to be late. So I'll see you in the next clip. So we've just arrived at the hospital and there's a bit of a queue at the moment, so there's no beds for me, no beds for the Duchess, so I have to wait around, what, 45 minutes until the other patients finish their transfusions, and then I can start mine later. So we're just in the waiting room at the moment with Mom. So my nurse just popped by and she gave me a very belated Christmas present, not from her but from a charity called the Sickle Cell Society, which is based in the UK and helps sickle cell patients. So that's really, it's really nice, but it's really strange because I wasn't expecting anything. And basically apparently they do this each year. They select certain patients with sickle cell who have had an extremely difficult time, which I think all of you guys know that I've had the worst year of my life, from all the pictures that I showed you in my previous video. So they selected me for this. I don't know what it is, but let's open it together. What do you think, Mom? Oh, I hope it's not chocolate. Like, I've got cancer, so I don't need to be eating more sugar. I was correct, guys. Avon Beauty. No, this is a very nice gesture because I didn't think I was getting anything. I just assumed I was coming here to get blood, and instead I got a beauty present. What's inside? Guys, I've never had anything from Avon Beauty before, so this is a first for me. I feel like Avon's quite a mature brand. It's not a brand that I would purchase myself. So this is just a mini bottle of hand cream. And we've got some perfume called Far Away Beyond. Right, let's see what this smells like. It smells like a perfume my grandma would wear, and she's dead. Yeah, I don't like that. Oh, okay, I like the packaging is really nice. I actually like this packaging. It will look nice in my bedroom. I believe it's the same scent. Yeah, it's the same scent. So we have a full-size bottle of perfume, and then we have the travel size. You know what? It's a cute gift, and I'm really grateful for it because I wasn't expecting anything today. And, you know, it's so thoughtful that they would even do this for sickle cell patients. So I am really grateful for it. I like it. It's cute. I think I'll give some to my mom as well. Me and my mom will share it. first time I have ever shown my trading to a live audience before, and to say I am nervous is an understatement right now. I just really wanted to show some actual trading in this weekly vlog because this is literally my life now. I've dedicated the past 3 years of my life to learning Forex. To some of you it might sound, wow, that's a long time, but most profitable day traders don't become profitable until around 2, 3, 4, even 5 years. So I knew it was going to take a very long time, and I'm not where I want to be yet. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna front, I'm definitely nowhere where I want to be, but I am slowly progressing, and that's the main thing. I have just taken a trade on GBP, JPY, and it is FOMC currently. I am trading in very volatile, high impact fundamental news, which is not a good thing. And one thing about me, I'm not a news trader. I don't purposely enter trades during news. However, this is a trade that I've been eyeing up all week. It's now Wednesday evening, and I have seen my setup. I've seen my 1 hour break and retest, and I'm a higher time frame trader, so I analyze the weekly and the daily time frames to enter my trades, but I do enter my entries, I take them on a lower time frame, usually the 1 hour, although we are monitoring this on the 30-minute time frame at the moment. So yeah, I'm rambling, but I'm nervous because I don't like the fact that it's news, although news isn't being very volatile at the moment, which is a good thing. We definitely did not have a knee-jerk reaction, which I like, because knee-jerk reactions usually cause stop losses getting hit, and you know, you can get wicked out and then price will go directly to your TP. This is a swing trade anyway, so if price does hit TP, I don't expect it to hit till a day later, maybe 24 hours later. I'm trading between 2 daily key levels at the moment. Price is actually doing nothing whatsoever. I really was not expecting such low volatility, which is a good thing, obviously. But there's not much to show you. Like, this is actually very boring. And that's another thing. Trading in general is boring, and it's meant to be boring. What I saw on the charts is that all time frames are bullish. So we have the weekly time frame, which I always analyze, which is bullish. Also, the monthly time frame on the ends are also bullish. The daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame. So I always like to make sure everything is aligned perfectly and everything is in sync. And as I said, I execute my entries on the lower time frames. So I basically took this entry based off the 1 hour higher high. So I waited for this high right here to get broken. And as you can see, price was just ranging between these 2 daily key levels for quite a while. And then finally, we got a break of structure right here. So the break was at 4 o'clock this afternoon. We got a nice little 1 hour retest at 5 p.m. And then we got our bullish engulfing candlestick at 6 p.m. And this is where I entered the trade. So I am expecting price to push up to this daily key level right here, daily supply zone or daily resistance zone, whatever you want to call it. And to be honest, my trading isn't rocket science. It's very straightforward. It's all based on higher time frame structure, higher time frame key levels, and making sure all the time frames are perfectly aligned and in sync. And I only focus on like 1, maybe 2 trades per week.
The next day.
Well, look what we have here, guys. What did the Duchess say last night. Please, I beg you, rewind the ting selector. What did the Duchess say last night? She said she got into this long position on GJ and she expects it to go to this daily zone up here. And will you look at that? Precise price action right there. As I said, this is the first time I've ever recorded myself trading, and the pressure was pressuring, I'm not gonna lie, but it just proves to myself that I am a good trader. I know what I'm doing. I have been on a losing streak for the past few weeks, unfortunately, due to multiple reasons, my health, and I had an incident with a prop firm last month, so that threw me off. But no, I've got this in the bag. Like, this hit TP at 8 o'clock in the morning, or well 9 really, because the candlestick closed at 9 a.m. And yeah, there you go, a lovely 1 to 3 on GJ. And if I'm honest, that's all you really need. Like, personally for me, one nice, 3R per week, that's more than enough. If you get 3R per week, that's 12% per month. I mean, come on, you're doing better than most traders out there. So I don't really need to show this part. I don't need to show any proof whatsoever, because I'm not trying to prove anything to anyone. But these days in the Forex industry, if you don't show proof, nobody believes anything you say. So I just wanted to show you my trade Zeller. This is my daily journal. This was my P&L for yesterday, which is when I placed the trade. As you can see, I made $609.41. Obviously, I'm British, so I'm not trading in dollars. I'm trading in GBP. And that's the only thing that I don't like about TradeZella, is that everything is recorded in USD, which I find very annoying. But as you can see, 100% win rate, 1 trade, 1 winner. It does say my R to R is 2.6. I guess that's, with spread. That's minus spread and commissions and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this, just so you know I actually took the trade and that I'm not chatting shit. This is only a very small account. I am obviously not making thousands of pounds from this. It's just a few $100s or a few £100. But nonetheless, I'm very happy with the result.